Welcome visitors. In this video, we pick few more keywords and then write content. So I am changing to iOS. Here you can see that all these things are paid, but you can do the work with the free tools. So go for applications. It has a variety of options. Top apps. You go for Spotify. Companies Sweden. So we go for keywords ASO. So it has no keywords. Fine. So we change the so you can see that by changing the region it has keyword. Light is the keyword. You don't know have to pick the keyword similar to the app name. So so start making content. It is one of the best video content making app. Like video, the super fast and most responsive app for your smartphone. Uh, it contains movie content and lots of cool stuff. By watching video in our app, you don't have to worry. So take get video now to enjoy your videos. So I completed the first app description. So let's start the second by having keywords. Modern Warfare is the awesome game for game lovers. It is one of the most playing games in 2020. View 2 is the best game in the marketplace. Call of Duty PS4 is another way, it's another game for youngsters to enjoy their lifestyle. New Call of Duty mobile game will enhance your gaming experience. Black Ops 4 prices too low along with super quality. So these two descriptions I made in front of you guys. The third one is leave up to you guys. This is a short task for you, as I already told you that you have to pick keywords, and after that submit a short assignment to me. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my writing course. Stay blessed.